Hi everyone, we're going to show you how to access Office 365 and your email using a web browser at home and on your laptop, your desktop, or your mobile device. The first thing you're going to do is open a web browser and go to cos.edu. In the top right hand corner, you're going to go ahead and log in to My Giant with your COS email and password. Then click Log In. You're going to look for the icon labeled Office 365 and Email. Go ahead and select that and a new window will open. In this next window, you're going to go ahead and click the red Sign In button. The next option is Work or School Account. Go ahead and select that item. In this next window, Office 365 will open. You're going to see some familiar applications that are available to you at home. Your Outlook email is this icon. Your OneDrive is this icon. You'll have access to Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and several other applications that will help you work from home. To use OneDrive, you will gather all the documents that you're wanting to place on the OneDrive on a flash drive or in a folder on your desktop. You click on OneDrive and the application will open to a window that looks like this. Obviously, I use this often for my current work, so you'll see all of my documents and that they live in here. Once you've gathered all of your work documents, go ahead and drag that folder into OneDrive. It's a very simple drag and drop. You'll notice in the right-hand corner, OneDrive will go ahead and sync with the documents that you most recently added. All documents and folders will live ABC order. You'll go ahead and find the most recent documents or folder that you've dropped into OneDrive. You'll notice this little 3-line marking. That's going to be your most recent documents that you've added. If you want to view the documents or the folder, you'll just go ahead and click. The next window will open the folder or display the documents. This was just an example, so this particular folder is empty. To return back to the previous screen, you'll go ahead and select My Files on the left-hand toolbar. I hope this was helpful, and I also hope this helps you work a little bit more efficiently from home.